What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Vast Guy Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with the co-pilot Jax. Today we're coming to you live from Agora Hills, California, USA, with another Wallis Annenberg wildlife crossing update. A lot of action going on over here. Road closures are just around the corner, and it looks like Agora Hills Road will be closed for the next couple of months, Monday through Friday, as they get the overpass for the service road wrapped up. They still have a lot of work to do to even show some of the exoskeleton, but the top is looking fantastic. A lot of those plants are really starting to take. We thought it was going to be right after the heat broke that we're going to see a lot of that stuff thriving. The water supply should be readily available now that Dodger Stadium isn't taking up so much of a quota, but a lot more work needs to be done here. On that note, it is chicken and apple time for the co-pilot. And as we all know, he loves himself a good crossing. Oh yeah, there you go. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, give us a sub if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video. Buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks. All that goes a long ways in helping us stay on the road, bringing y'all that quality November content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there, show you guys what's going down. Peace.